Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for February and I've got Birchbox. And we've got a heart design box this month. Really pretty, which left off the top here. So if you're new to the subscription, then carry on watching. I'll give you a bit of a lowdown, but if you've heard it all before, you will find a timestamp down below in my comments, so you're free to flick forward. There are many Birchboxes around the world, but what you're watching is Birchbox UK, and it's only available in the UK. The cost of the box is £12.95, and that includes shipping. Inside we receive around 5 products. Sometimes we get added freebies. They tend to be samples and little travel minis and things like that. We do sometimes get full sizes, but not always. So the main aim of this subscription, coming from Birchbox themselves, is that it's a monthly treat delivered to your door for you to try brand new beauty products at an affordable price, and if you love them then you'll go onto the Birchbox website and purchase the full size, because as well as the subscription, Birchbox does have an online store. If you decide to subscribe, you'll automatically receive 10% off any of the products on their website, including limited edition boxes which they bring out now and again. And if you subscribe for more than 6 months, you become a VIP, which will entitle you to receive 15% off anything off the website. I've been a subscriber on and off to Birchbox for many years, and I think I started subscribing to Birchbox around 2015, so yeah, a long time ago. It's okay, it's not the best subscription out there when you compare it to, say, Glossybox or Look Fantastic, which are very similar prices, but I have to say that out of all the boxes that I have unboxed, the products that I go on to purchase tend to come from Birchbox. And I've been subscribing now non-stop for the last, say, year, 2 years, something like that. There's always discount codes flying around. I have one myself which will entitle you to a discount. I believe it's 20% off, or could be £5 off your first box. It's not that clear, but there is a link that I can share with you. It's a refer a friend link. So you'll find that down below in my description. Plus, if I can find any other discount codes which might entitle you to receive a free box or a discount, etc., then you will find that down below as well. So as well as a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel any month, they offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. That's it as far as information goes. If you want to learn any more, then please ask away and I'll seek out the information for you. But let's get on to opening this up and seeing what we got inside. I love the box design this month. It is really pretty. Showing it up close. It's lovely, isn't it? So inside we've got a booklet and it details everything about the products in the box, so I'll refer to that as we go along. And this month's theme is Choose Love. It says, "Hello Birchboxers, we were always taught the importance of sharing, and that includes sharing our love with others. We believe love is universal, and no matter what shape, size or colour love comes in, we must always cherish it. Whether from family and friends, a kind gesture from a stranger, or even the care we should all show to ourselves. We encourage you to choose love every minute of the day." Does it have a sneak peek for next month? No, but they're bringing out a limited edition box in February. It's called Pamper Head to Toe Limited Edition, but it doesn't say any dates or anything like that. But as soon as I hear about it, I'll post it up on Facebook and Instagram as well. Look, sneak peek. So how many full-size items have I got this month? This is quite unusual. But not just one. I've got 3 full-size items this month and 2 minis or travel sizes. So if you're new to Birchbox and you're watching this video thinking, right, I want to subscribe because I want exactly what Claire's got, you might not. The best thing to do is to go on their website, click on the subscription link. I'll pop it down below in my description. But as soon as you go on that page, you will see all the products that may feature inside your box. So everyone will receive 5, but it could be a mixture of the 5 that you see. Generally, most people receive 2 or 3, and then 2 or 3 are different. So just to let you know, just in case you're thinking, right, I want exactly what Claire's got, and you receive your box and you haven't. But yeah, have a look on the subscribe page and it'll show you what you could get then. So first up, we've got a Revolution Pro. This is a Radiant Peach Primer, a brightening primer. Some of the products that are featured in the boxes, you get to choose what shade you want. And this was one of the items. I think there's 3 different shades maybe. So you get an email a couple of weeks before your box is due, asking you what you'd prefer. And if you don't reply, you'll just get sent a random one. So that's what it looks like there. My hand, ooh, it's very liquidy. I like the sound of this. An all over peach primer So brilliant if you've got really dull skin. I really like this. I was expecting it to be quite shimmery, but it's not. There is a very, very subtle sheen to it, but it feels gorgeous on the skin, and it has blended in quite nicely. There's a slight tint there, but it's a healthy tint. It's a healthy tint. But no, I really like that. No smell. So this is full size and could be bought for £7. Use this colour correcting primer as a base for makeup looks to cancel any unwanted blemishes or imperfections. This apricot shade is perfect for covering up any dark under eye circles, pigmentation or age spots. And it says here, Revolution Pro focuses on breaking down barriers such as shade ranges and price so that everyone has a chance to enjoy beauty. So yeah, really, really chuffed to that. So that's the first item in the box. Next up, we've got a product by Incredible, and this is a Jelly Shot Lip Quencher, and it says it was only a kiss. It's a clear gloss with a little star. It looks like there's a little star in there down the bottom. Okay, let's try it just on the corner of my hand there. No scent, no scent. This is full size and it retails for £8. This irresistible lip balm is enriched with moisture boosting and protecting avocado, vitamin E and rice bran oils to leave lips nourished, repaired and flake free. The sheer lilac shade gives your pout a subtle hint of colour with a smooth, comfortable finish. Oh, I didn't notice any. No. Oh, maybe. Why would you want a subtle lilac tint to your lips? Just make you look like you're not alive. Do you know what I mean? It's more like a bluey lilac shade. It is subtle. You probably won't even see it on the camera. But yeah, and it's nice, like it's in a lipstick form. So there's that. Okay, and then the last full size item is from Dr. Botanicals. We've got a lemon superfood all-in-one rescue butter, and there's 50 mils here. I love the packaging. If you didn't already know, as soon as you open Dr. Botanical products, you have got to use them within 6 months because they're all natural and they go off. So yeah, make sure you're not like me and dip into anything that you can see. Yeah, I'm terrible for that. I'm sure I've had this before, but the packaging is completely different. I'll have a read and see what it says. Full size and it retails for £14.90. Full of minerals, antioxidants and vitamins, this formula is sure to rejuvenate and renew your dull or dry skin. Plus it's jam-packed with lemongrass, coconut almond, grapeseed and sea blackthorn fruit oil to deeply nourish the skin, leaving you with a warm, healthy glow. Lemongrass is a natural astringent and can help reduce the appearance of pores. No, I haven't tried this one before. I was thinking of, you know, like a multi-purpose balm. Dr. Pawpaw, for instance, you know, that sort of consistency. But no, this is like a cream. So I don't think I have had this before. Oh, it feels really nice. And it smells of lemons. I absolutely love lemons. Yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, wow. Superfood all-in-one rescue butter. That is so nice. So there's that. Next up we got a product by Morning Street. This is a brightening conditioner and it's for all hair types to nourish and shine. There's 30 mils here and it contains argan and marula oil. I don't think we've had anything from this brand before, so it might be new to Birchbox. This is a little mini, but the full size, it doesn't say how big the full size is, but you can purchase it for £16.90. Is your hair in need of a winter pick-me-up? This protecting conditioner utilises argan and marula oil to tame and moisturise unruly hair from the first use. It also adds some much-needed shine to breathe life back into tired locks. For best use, massage into wet hair and leave in for 1 to 2 minutes before rinsing. So we got a hair mask, and lastly we've got a product by Kiehl's. I don't own many Kiehl's products. Kiehl's is a brand I would love to get to know a little bit more. We've had Kiehl's in Birchbox a few times, so I'm really excited that we've got this. This is a daily refining milk peel toner, 40 mils, and it's to gently exfoliate the skin surface without causing discomfort, with replenishing skin's moisture for a fresher, more refined complexion. This is a sample or a little mini and you can purchase the full size for £52. Kiehl's are the new scrubs. This gentle dirt buster is one of Kiehl's secret weapons, utilising lipohydroxy acids and 23% emollients. This exfoliator toner hybrid cleanses and moisturises at the same time without irritating the skin. This exfoliating toner is gentle enough for daily use on even the most sensitive skins. We got a toner there from Kiehl's. So those are all the products inside this month's Birchbox. I'm going to add up the full-size items and give you a bit of a recap. We've got a Revolution Pro Brightening Primer in peach. Got a Dr. Botanicals Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. We've got an Incredibles Jelly Shot Lip Quencher. We've got a Morning Street Brightening Hair Conditioner. And lastly, a Kiehl's a Daily Refining Milk Peel Toner. The cost of the box is £12.95 and the 3 full-size items come in at £30. I haven't added up or worked out what the 2 other little minis or samples are, but yeah, just the 3 full-size come in at £30. I really like this month's box. I really do like it. Grabbing the products here. Pleasantly surprised for this primer. I think it's going to be brilliant. Really great for dull skin, and yeah, I do so winter time. I do, particularly under my eyes as well, and I do suffer from pigmentation, so I can't wait to see what that's like. Yeah, really happy to try a Kiehl's product, as I mentioned earlier on. Yeah, and it sounds really nice and gentle on the skin. I'm not sure if I have tried this before. I don't think so, but I do really like it, and I think I'll be using it more for like a hand cream, or even see what it's like for my face at night. Handy little lip balm, which will probably go in my car. Yeah, and a conditioner that sounds really lovely as well. I'm going to have to look in the ingredients to see if there's anything nasty in there. It sounds really lovely. So all in all, yeah, a really great box this month. Definitely worth £12.95. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of my contents? Have you received your Birchbox yet? What did you receive in yours? Or are you watching this wondering, oh, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear what you think of it, regardless of if you love it or hate it. So please comment down below. And I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.